Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide unwanted objects in a video on CapCut. So let's get started. If you're using CapCut as your video editor on your phone or on your PC, you can use this feature. Hide the object, cover the object with easy way. So let's get started. Let's open my project. This is from library. You can search from library. You can practice it. So tap on your video right now and then make duplicate. And after that, on the first video, you can tap again on the first video, make overlay. Let's search the overlay feature. This one. And then this overlay feature, you can use mask in this a project or in this overlay. This one, mask. So you can use this circle. Try to a circle, make mask on the darken area or blank space. Done. And try to adjust. So is it done? So you can practice by yourself. Maybe you need to a recolor or make a color correction on this video. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below.